Jericho.
How did you get into my house? Borrow your cat, please! No, you may not borrow my cat now. Where'd he go? Thank you! Well, that didn't work.
Why don't you try to plug in the electrical socket?
Shut up! I know what I'm doing!
Because you've proved that so many times before.
What's up? Quick! Shadow, what do cats chase? What do cats chase?
Mice?
And mice are...
Rodents?
And hedgehogs are...
Mammals.
No! Well, technically yes, but no!
So what are you trying to say?
Make the cats chase you.
Why am I always the bait?
Well, remember that time we had that paddle ball plan?
Oh god, no! Don't mention it, I'll do it! Do I really have to wear these?
Remember, be the mouse.
Squeak, squeak, scurry, scurry. Squeak, squeak, scurry, scurry. Squeak, squeak, scurry, scurry. Squeak, squeak, scurry, scurry.
Oh no! Keep going, that's perfect, you're tiring them out!
I don't think it's working.
Oh dear!